Hello and welcome back. So in this video, I am going to show you how to install an SSL certificate onto your website using both cPanel and Let's Encrypt. I must say before you start watching this video, your website does need to be running on cPanel for this to be able to work for you. But the majority of websites do use cPanel, so this should work for you. So the first thing I'm going to do is go to my web hosting account. From there, I'm going to go to my services. And then as you can see, we have my website hosting service just here. And all I need to do here is click Launch cPanel. This will now open the cPanel for my website. And from here, it is quite simple. You can either scroll down and look for the Let's Encrypt application or simply search for it at the top. So you could type in Let's Encrypt or SSL and it will come up, but I am going to find it just by scrolling down and finding it. So I'm going to scroll down to the security section within cPanel. So let's look for security. Here we go, this is security. And from here we need to find the Let's Encrypt application. Here it is, so click onto that. And then you want to go to issue a new certificate. And this is my domain name, and that is the one I want to install the SSL onto. So I will click issue on the right just here. So I will leave these settings as default, as that is all perfect for me. So leave them as they are. And then at the bottom you can select your SSL validation method. I'm going to select HTTP. And then click the issue button. This will now issue an SSL certificate onto your website using Let's Encrypt. And here you go. The SSL certificate is now installed onto the domain wpmasterclass.org. So we have now successfully issued an SSL certificate onto our website. We can even check it. So let's go to our website. And as you can see at the top of my website, we have the SSL certificate installed, and you can see because the padlock is appeared, and you can click onto the padlock and even look at the certificate information. So we can look at all of the details for the SSL certificate that we have just installed. So there you go, you can now see that the SSL certificate we have installed has successfully been installed and validated, and it is working already. So that is how easy it is to install an SSL certificate onto your website using both cPanel and the Let's Encrypt application. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching, thank you for listening, and I'll see you in the next one. Once again, thanks and goodbye.